Sony Xperia Z5 rear and front camera replacement. Warning: you are performing this repair at your own risk. We claim no responsibility for any damages that might occur. To perform this DIY repair, you will need a plastic triangle opening tool, Nylon Spudger, SIM card ejection tool, precision knife set, multi-purpose heat gun, professional Phillips screwdriver. Power down your Sony Xperia Z5 phone. Eject the nano SIM card tray. The Sony Xperia Z5 rear panel is glued on solidly and is a tight fit within the frame. Apply heat to soften the adhesive. With the precision knife, create enough space to insert a triangle opening tool. Use triangle opening tools to slice through the adhesive and help carefully separate the rear panel from the Sony Xperia Z5 frame. Apply additional heat as needed. Use the spudger to detach the Xperia Z5 battery connection from the motherboard. Disconnect the 27-megapixel Sony Xperia rear-facing camera and carefully pry up and out of the phone. Detach the headphone jack cable and remove the following Phillips screw. Remove the protective plastic bracket. With the bracket out of the way, detach the 5.1 megapixel Sony Xperia Z5 front-facing selfie camera and remove it from the smartphone. Make sure to take a look at our other DIY smartphone and tablet repair tutorials. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, like us on Facebook, and follow us on Twitter.